Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the iPhone in hand. Unlock it and open Settings now. You do this because Settings is the control hub. Once open, it lists Wi-Fi controls and other radios. Make sure you know your iOS version and about so terminology matches. Tap Settings, then look immediately for the Wi-Fi row near the top. This step initiates the change and ensures you are in the right place. Once done, you're ready to switch networks or disable Wi-Fi entirely. You'll now tap Wi-Fi in Settings and flip the toggle from on to off. This severs the connection to any current network. Why that matters? Turning it off prevents background data and automatic reconnections. Make sure the network name and Wi-Fi icon in the status bar vanish. If they don't, tap the current network and choose Forget this network before toggling off. Once done, you can also use airplane mode to cut all radios, but remember to re-enable Bluetooth if you need it. Finish by checking Control Center. Swipe down or up and tap the Wi-Fi icon to disable quickly. Note this temporarily disconnects, but Settings toggle remains. If the toggle is unresponsive, restart your iPhone to clear glitches and try again. As a final fix, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. This removes saved networks and often resolves stubborn behavior. If problems persist, make sure iOS is current because updates frequently fix radio or UI bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.